Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the most important topic. So all the UGCNet and the CSIR UGCNet aspirants have to look about this video, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGCNet and the joint CSIR UGCNet exam. Okay, why? Because it is a very important topic that all the candidates, UGCNet as well as the CSIR net candidates, aspirants has to know that the examination or else the giving the questions, the exam pattern is changing here. So in what way it is changing, that we are going to see right now in this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGCNet paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGCNet Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, the first point that what I want to share is that it is slowly changing from easy to difficult questions. That means if you are observing the past question papers, that is from 2017, 18, 19 and 20, if you observe this one, the difficultiness of the question paper is slowly increasing. And whenever the UGCNet exam, on behalf of UGC, whenever the National Testing Agency took the authority to conduct the examination, then the difficultiness is still more increased. And as per my point of view, if you look at the 2020 question paper, the difficultiness is really increased comparing with the previous year question papers. Okay, so whoever the aspirants are there and the candidates who are going to write the exam in the next seasons, you have to mind this one, and based upon this one you have to do the preparations, guys. And the next point what I want to share is the lengthy questions. Okay, whatever the paper is, the question paper they are giving, they will give the 5 options A, B, C, D, E, and out of these 5 they will give the 4 options, like out of the 5 points they will give the 4 options, like first option A only is correct, and the second option B only is correct, and the third option A, B, C, D, E are correct, and the fourth option some E and C is correct. Okay, that means out of the 5 points you have to read A, B, C, D, E, and out of those 5 points you have to correctly judge which points are the correct as per the given content. Okay, so due to this one, what happening is that the time consuming will be very much. Okay, the much amount of time will consumes, and automatically the candidates will feel that very lengthy questions for the given stipulated period of time. Okay, so this one also one change I observed. And coming to the next change is most logical questions they are giving. That means previously if you observe, the direct questions will be there. Okay, and almost out of the 100%, 50 to 60% we can expect the direct questions from the previous NET examinations. But right now most of the part are giving the logical questions. Okay, until and unless if you are not having some kind of application oriented knowledge, okay, or else the comparative knowledge is there. That means you have to compare the different topics. Okay, the comparative type of preparation is not there, then you can't attempt the questions, guys. And next one what I observed is that out of the syllabus questions. Okay, so whatever the UGC syllabus is framed, I think the NTA is not at all looking that syllabus. Okay, so some questions are completely unrelated comparing with the syllabus, whatever the syllabus given by the UGC. So these are the 4 different types of points what I observed by looking at the 2020 question paper, guys. Okay, So I think most of you people are feeling the same thing. So I want to share that the examination pattern is slowly changing from easy to difficult and most logical questions and the lengthy questions and some out of syllabus questions. Okay, I'm feeling like this. So whoever the candidates wrote the 2020 exam, please share your views and your ideas in the comment section of this video. Okay, and NTA has to properly take care in designing the question paper, I think. Okay, why? Because it is not the perfect job oriented exam. Okay, it is not the complete job oriented exam, so they have to put this point in their mind. And one more thing is that the examination point of view is to test the candidate's knowledge. Okay, but not to show the talent of the NTA. Okay, not to show the talent of NTA. Okay, the examination point of view is that to test the knowledge of the students or the candidates who are writing the exam. But the 2020 question paper, I am just feeling that they are trying to show their talents and all these things. Okay, so or else if you want to show your talent, at least give one updated syllabus to the students who are writing the exam. Give one updated syllabus and mention each and every subtopics very clearly. Okay, why? Because if any one topic is there, based upon that one we can there is one book will be there, but we can't read a complete book for the exam, right, for only one topic. Okay, so please give one updated syllabus which is mentioning each and every topic and the subtopics also. Okay, otherwise the students are getting confused that from where you are giving the questions, and some questions are not getting from the internet also. Okay, so please take these points, and the candidates guys who are preparing for the UGC or the CSIR NET exam, so please keep all these points in your mind and properly just modify your preparation guys. Okay, it is not as easy as comparing with the previous year examinations. Just modify your examination. Okay, I mean modify your preparation based upon these changes what I observed. Okay, and if you feel the same, please mention in the comment section guys. Thank you very much, and please subscribe my channel to get the more updates and the notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay, and if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1. that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here, by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.